Lesson number 1, the computer. We know about the main parts of the computer. In this chapter, we shall learn about some more parts. First of all, we have a question. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine like television. Computer is a very useful machine. It helps all. It helps children in playing games, drawing pictures and solving sums. It helps adults in their office work. Now, main parts of computer. First one, monitor. This is a monitor. CPU. This is a CPU. Third one, keyboard. This is a keyboard. Fourth one, mouse. This is a mouse. All these parts that make a computer system, they all work together to make the system function. Now, first part is monitor. Monitor looks like a television screen. Whatever we do on a computer, it displays on the screen. A monitor displays the output visually. So, we also call it a VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. We can see movies, photos, games and other activities. The mouse pointer can be seen on the monitor. Often, whatever we type using the keyboard appears on the monitor. Second part is the keyboard. Each key marked with a letter, a number or a symbol. The key marked with A to Z are called alphabet keys. The key marked with numbers 1 to 9 are called number keys. Keys with words like enter, backspace, etc. are called special keys. These are the arrow keys. This is a backspace key. This is a enter key. These keys are called special keys. A keyboard is connected to the CPU. Now, next part is the system unit. This is the main part of the computer, and the system unit is also called the CPU, and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. We can simply say that without the processing unit, it is difficult to think about a computer. The data and instructions which are received from the input devices are stored and processed here. हम कंप्यूटर को जो भी डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन इनपुट डिवाइस की मदद से देते हैं वो सीपीयू के अंदर स्टोर होता है और वहाँ प्रोसेस होती है. The system unit is classified into two parts. First one, central processing unit, and second one, memory unit. First part is central processing unit. This device is a very important part of the system unit. All the calculations work is performed by the CPU. It controls the functioning of the other part of computer. Now, second one is memory unit. This is also referred to as the storage area. This is the unit where the data of the computer is stored during our working on the computer. Memory is also a part of body. Can you tell me which part of our body contains memory glands, brain or heart? Answer is brain. Now, fourth part is the mouse. A mouse is small but an important part of the computer. It is used to point option on the monitor screen. That is why this device is also called a pointing device. It has 2 or 3 buttons with a wheel in between. Now, additional devices attached to the computer. First one, joystick. This is a picture of joystick. It is used to play computer games in order to move the objects left, right, up and down. Joystick is used very rarely with computers. Now, second device is scanner. We often type using a keyboard and draw pictures using a mouse. But sometimes we take things printed on a paper, whether it is a text or a picture, as it is on the printer. To do this job, a scanner helps us. Scanner is a device that is used to scan pictures or text and copy it onto the computer. हमें कोई भी पिक्चर और टेक्स्ट को स्कैन करना है और उसकी कॉपी हमें कंप्यूटर के अंदर रखनी है, तो वो हम स्कैनर की मदद से उसको स्कैन कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड डिवाइस इज द प्रिंटर. Printer is a device used to print the work that we do on the computer. It prints our work on a sheet of paper. हम कंप्यूटर के अंदर कुछ भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाते हैं तो उस डॉक्यूमेंट की हमें प्रिंट चाहिए, तो वो प्रिंट हम कंप्यूटर में से प्रिंटर की मदद से निकाल सकते हैं. The sheets paper with printed matter is called प्रिंट आउट. हमें जो भी प्रिंट पेपर के ऊपर मिलती है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? प्रिंट आउट. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिंटर्स: डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, इंकजेट प्रिंटर एंड लेसर प्रिंटर. फर्स्ट वन, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर. दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर. It prints the data in the form of dots slowly. It cannot print data in colors. इस प्रिंटर की मदद से आप कोई भी डेटा है वो आप प्रिंट कर सकते हो, लेकिन जो भी डेटा प्रिंट होता है वो कलर कॉपी में नहीं आता है. Due to its cheap quality of printing, these printers are not in use these days. Second one is inkjet printers. This is a picture of inkjet printers. It prints data both in black and color. The printers spray the color on the paper to print the data. This printer is good to get high resolution photographs. Laser printer. This printer is very economical and prints data very fast. This printer is used in office and many other commercial places. And these printers can print 7 to 8 pages per minute. This is a picture of laser printer. Now microphone and speaker. This is a picture of microphone and this is a picture of speakers. If we want our computer to play music and display movies, we need speakers. And they are used to listen to sounds from the computer. Speakers are generally used to listen songs, games and messages from the computer.